Past progressive. The structure for past progressive is subject, was or were, verb in gerund, complement, time expression. Next, let's check the first example. I was recording a video yesterday morning. Example 2. You were watching a movie in that moment. You were watching a movie in that moment. Example 3. They were playing the guitar last night. They were playing the guitar last night. Last example for affirmative form. She was studying languages last year. She was studying languages last year. Negative form for past progressive. Structure. Subject wasn't, weren't, verb in gerund, complement, and time expression. Example 1. I wasn't recording a video in that moment. I wasn't recording a video in that moment. Example 2. You weren't studying English last night. You weren't studying English last night. Example 3. They weren't playing the guitar yesterday morning. They weren't playing the guitar yesterday morning. Example 4. She wasn't working in the market last month. She wasn't working in the market last month. Now let's check the interrogative form. In the interrogative form, we have something special. We use first was and were. The next thing is the subject. Then, we have the verb in gerund, the complement, and time expression. But at the end, we use the question mark. As you can see, the question mark is at the end of the sentence. Let's check example number 1. Was I recording a video yesterday afternoon? Was I recording a video yesterday afternoon? Example 2. Were you studying English this morning? Were you studying English this morning? Example 3. Were they dancing at the concert last night? Were they dancing at the concert last night? And example 4. Was he fixing his car last week? Was he fixing his car last week? Now, my dear friends, let's answer some questions. Okay? There we are. Here we go. Number 1. Was I recording a video yesterday afternoon? When you got an affirmative answer, it's something like this. Yes, you were. If the answer is negative, would be like this. No, you weren't. Was I recording a video yesterday afternoon? Yes, you were. Or no, you weren't. Example 2. Were you studying English this morning? Were you studying English this morning? A possible answer is yes, I was, or no, I wasn't. Next example. Were they dancing at the concert last night? Were they dancing at the concert last night? Yes, they were. No, they weren't. Yes, they were. Yes, they were. Oh, no, they weren't. Last example is this one. Was he fixing his car last week? Was he fixing his car last week? The affirmative would be yes, he was. The negative, no, he wasn't. Okay? Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, follow me on YouTube, and subscribe. See you in the next video.